How to create nice text kerning effect with Fusion in Davinci Resolve. Right-click in the media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Open up the Effects panel, expand Tools, and click on Shape. Add a rectangle, an outline, and a render node, and connect them to Media Out. Select the outline and decrease the thickness. Then select the rectangle and change its width and height. Now add a rectangle mask and attach it to the render node. Resize the mask to have a narrow mask. Set the angle to 90 degrees. Move the playhead to the start, and click on diamond button next to angle to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to the end and set angle to around 630. Increase soft edge to around 0.025. And now we have this nice animation. Add a text plus and a merge node and connect text to the merge node. Select the text node, type a text, and change its style to your liking. Move the playhead to the start, and click on tracking to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to frame 30 and increase tracking. Move the playhead to frame 60 and click on the small dot to set tracking to its initial value. Do this for the entire length of the composition. Now go back to the edit page and drag the composition into timeline. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.